Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around.
Good morning, everyone. It's a little bit later in the morning. It's 9 o'clock, but we've been up since 6:30. I've already fed the children. Children meaning the twins. Now I gotta feed the third. What's going on here in my hair? I think I'm experiencing postpartum hair loss too, by the way. Sorry, someone's working on their truck outside. I'm kind of getting back into routine, which is amazing. Waffle, strawberries. Sometimes he eats strawberries, sometimes he doesn't. He prefers watermelon. He likes apples. Sometimes he eats bananas. Like, you kind of have to like pick your battles with their toddler. Yogurt. How are you guys doing? Any moms watching? How are you guys doing? How's your routine? Is it any different than mine? In the refrigerator. Please don't mind the refrigerator. I have to clean it, but I have to prioritize at this point. My plan for today was to try to leave the house and go for a walk, but it's raining. I go through these many bottles in a day. So my mornings are very different. Thankfully, the babies are sleeping through the night. This is probably the third night. Yeah, it's been great and all. I'm just kind of trying not to get too used to that because they're going to be going through their sleep regression. Hopefully not, but yeah, things are kind of getting easier. It's a different kind of difficult because they require more attention. Their naps are a little bit shorter. Mentally, I'm doing good. Sometimes I get overwhelmed, and I think that's normal. The baby's just turned 3 months a couple of days ago, so that's been nice to see them smile, play, observe, and all that has been great to see. Our baby woke up. The sound machine is on, so hopefully you guys don't have a hard time listening to what I'm saying. But here's little Chunkers. 3 months old. I can't even believe it. Baby girl's sleeping. Of course she's sleeping. She's a really good sleeper. ¿Qué pasó? Since we're giving them formula, we give them the Holly goat milk. I might breastfeed once a day just to not completely dry out. I got this as an emergency because we got Holly goat milk, but sometimes it takes a little longer for that to get here because it's coming all the way from where? Is it Germany? It is beauty. It is beauty. Where my sweet princess? It's time to eat. Mío, ¿qué le pasa, mío? So they normally feed every 3 hours. It's very difficult to feed them both at the same time. Sometimes I bottle feed one and then self feed the other. Sometimes I feed them both if my husband is here. They normally go to sleep around 7 to 7:30 p.m. and again they don't wake up until like 5:30, 6:30. If they wake up at 5:30, then I am able to get them back to sleep until 6:30, 7 o'clock. So I am having postpartum hair loss. It's starting, and yeah, Maya, I love you. I love you more. ¿No vas a jugar Rainbow? Ok, recoja esto entonces. Put it in here.
Alaska.
Alaska? You're looking for Alaska?
This one is Alaska.
There's Alaska. Good job. ¿Cómo se dice en español? Alaska. California.
California.
Ajá, ¿y en español? California.
California. Pan.
Ese se llama Nevada.
Okay, buscarla.
Nevada.
Yeah.
Ok, ¿dónde va Nevada?
Right here.
Muy bien.
Washington.
Washington. Tienes que buscar Washington.
It's right here.
A ver, déjame ver. Déjame ver. ¡Wow! Washington, muy bien. ¿Dónde va Washington?
Right here.
Muy bien, póngalo. Good job, Neo.
Right here. Kentucky. It's right here. It's right here.
Muy bien. Tenga, ¿dónde va Kentucky? Venga.
Here.
Muy bien.
Oh, wait, this
I always have to. Papa, good job. I always have to stay on top of the cleaning, otherwise it just becomes hectic. Near here, drink water, please. Come here, Wita. Thank you. Excuse me. Just gonna bring the here, recoja. ¿Vas a jugar con tus cards?
Yeah.
Alright, go put your card. Guarda, Neo, here. Put this over there. Here.
Okay. You that.
You can hear that. Sí, ellos están escuchando bell. ¿Cómo se llama en español? Campana.
Campana.
Bien. 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, it's 12 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything. Thankfully, I have leftovers. I cook most of the week, breakfast, lunch, dinner, but we get home chef 3 times a week. Sometimes I skip a week. Sometimes I just do every other week. And I add extra beef, extra chicken, just depending on what protein. So I make a little bit extra for leftovers. This is beef. Let me show you. But this is what it is. Muchu, pork bowls with cabbage, scallions, and buttery rice. So we'll just replace it with beef instead of pork. I'm gonna add some more scallions and a little bit of Caesar salad. ¿Quieres comer arrocito, papi?
Yeah, you did.
I don't have kitchen scissors, so just gonna use regular scissors. Anyone else do that? ¿Cómo se llama, Neo?
Scallions.
Scallions. That's right.
Okay.
Lo voy a comer aquí con esto. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Some salad on the side. ¿Qué comes? It's
Really?
delicious, isn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit of Parmesan. Opa. Over the salad. Can't even see. ¿Tienes hambre, mi amor?
Yeah.
¿Ya? ¿Quieres comer con mamá? ¿Ya? Te quedaste con hambre, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
¿Quieres más lechuga? So delicious. It's good, right? Neo, ¿tienes hambre? ¿Quieres pasta?
Yeah.
Now I have to rush. Because this guy's crying. ¿Quieres?
No. Like,
Let mommy eat, please. Mommy no comió. This is just sitting on my counter. Tell me you are a toddler mom without telling me.
no.
Come on. He's gonna have some leftover pasta. I made some really good pasta last night. He's gonna have that
Ew.
for lunch. And what was I having it for dinner?
That is
Screw that. I already.
disgusting truck.
What? What?
That is disgusting.
I'm not disgusting. Croissant. Croutons. I did them.
What? Onion.
Scallions.
This
Permission.
thing.
Mmm. So good, ¿verdad? You want some? You want salty? You're so silly. I know you love. Ah! Careful, please, se cae. Neo, se cae. Gracias. Thank you.
Here's why you can't outrun a bad time.
¿Tienes sueño? ¿Tienes sueño? Princess? Baby girlies? Baby boy? I gotta fix your hair. I gotta fix your hair. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I gotta fix your hair. I gotta fix your hair. See? Mira que es hermosa en el espejo. Ya. Nice and steamy. It's got peppers, it's got heavy cream, Parmesan, mozzarella. So good. If you know, you know. Witching hour is the absolute worst. I think we're gonna be ending it here. I know, sweet baby. I know, sweet baby. Okay, look, yeah. Oh my goodness, somebody wants lechitas. Baby, one more to go. My husband is supposed to be here right now. What? I'm coming, Papi. Okay. All right, 2 babies down, 1 to go. So I'm in a little bit of a pickle because I have my toddler in the bathtub right now. He's ready for the soap. But my husband's still not here. He told me he was gonna be here by now. In a couple minutes. Is he here? No, he's not here yet. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me call him. I'll be back. I think I'm gonna have to call it quits. It is bedtime for all the children. We did it. It is 6:36. They should be sleeping by 7:10ish, 7:30. All 3 of them, max. And that's good news. And that's great. It's so satisfying because it's been such a long day, but it's worth it. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends, anyone that can relate or get anything out of this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.